open data online. And we don't want maybe one day Google to wake up and just say, we don't need this data anymore. Are you looking at a collaboration where we have local storage plus Google and things like that?
I think that basically, I wouldn't worry about that very much, because obviously we know every time we see users and an environment that's ripe for innovation and welcoming of that innovation is someplace where we are happy to participate. With Google Health, we just didn't see the adoption that we wanted to see. And part of that was because we just didn't see the user adoption. The other piece was it was available in the United States, and some of the laws and protocols and things that exist there made it very cumbersome to actually getting your health data online. So you'd have to do multiple approvals, multiple pins mailed to you over weeks of time to be able to actually have that all work. And it just proved too cumbersome to really get the adoption. So it was a combination of both, of the market just not being ready for it and also the regulation really getting in the way. In the case of Power Meter, again, I think that this is a place where people want to see a lot of innovation and be able to measure their power usage. That's something that could be very useful. That said, the usability of that product and how easy it was to work with was something that it was actually hard to instrument your house properly to do it, and we really felt that we just weren't going to get the adoption curve that we wanted. So I think they're both very good ideas. They just weren't very good ideas for that time. Where in the inverse, so many people are getting their news online, and it's clear that there's a huge audience there. And one of the core things we really want to do is organize the world's information, make it accessible for everyone. So I think this is really in the heart of what we do. And so this is an area that we're very much committed to. And as long as we see that it's useful for our users, it's something we're likely to continue with.
My name is Jude. I'm a knowledge management lead of a national called the Aegis Group. My question is to do with cloud computing, which is kind of like the thing going on right now or just starting. What is the role of cloud computing in Google's current processes or current operations right now, and its future plans?
Sure. I think that Google, along with probably 2 or 3 other major internet providers, actually helped pioneer cloud computing. Because what happens now is, well, many startups leverage clouds, but they're really leveraging is the cloud that was built to support a large-scale service. So we had no choice but to, because of the amount of information on the web that we were crawling for search, the amount of information we were helping store with Gmail, we had to build very large infrastructures that had very unique cost properties, basically being very low cost. And so basically what happened with us, we were like, well, look, if we built this very robust, very cost-effective structure for data, why wouldn't we make that available for everyone else, right? Like, so what happens is, companies like Microsoft or Amazon or Google or Facebook ultimately need to build a cloud just because they're running such a large-scale web service. And they have tools that help their internal developers build on that. So you say, okay, shouldn't we open this up and let other developers build on this too and have access to the same type of scalability that we've had, and being able to respond to increased demand more seamlessly, rather than back in the early days where they said we'd have 300 computers and we'd be like, oh no, more traffic, quick buy more computers, quick hook them up, right? It makes sense to actually use one of these large systems where there's slack in the system that can actually help absorb your demand. So this is something that we obviously will continue to do. This has been a very core part of our philosophy since the very beginning, of having many small computers all acting together in concert to build a cloud. And we'll continue to have cloud services both for our internal developers and external developers for the foreseeable future, because we think that it's one thing that we can do to really promote the advancement of the web and promote the open web. And so, this is something that makes a lot of strategic sense for us, and we think is just good for developers and good for end users.
Okay, so my last question to you is this. You're sitting in the nerve center for the technology and kind of tech startups in Kenya. What's your going away message to everybody here?
I just think it's an area that's so ripe for innovation. And so, I would say start more companies, right? And don't be afraid to take risks, right? I think that one of the things that I've learned a lot at Google is it's okay to fail as long as you fail fast, right? So try things. If they work, the nice thing is if it doesn't work and you've only spent a week or 2 weeks building it, move on, try the next thing. But I do think that It's the law of large numbers of, you build lots of different things and then something starts to stick and work and you really start to see it ramp up. You can add more people and you can add more resources. So I would tell you to experiment and try a lot of different things. So.
Great, thank you very much. Can we give a big round of applause for Marissa? Because there's so many of you, I'm actually going to have you stay where you are, and we'll just line up like you are. We'll pass the mic down, just say your name and your products, and then that way...
Well, they can just come across the stage here, because that way people can see them, and
okay, cool.
and so why don't you guys just come up, and we'll just try and be efficient, and then you can just like rock off. So talk about what project you've worked on for the past year, what you're going to work on next year, and then your email address too.
All right, my name is Tom Charatonu. I worked on Google Books, specifically the content and publisher-facing tools. And this next year, I'm going to start working on Google Plus and the third-party widgets, like the +1 button.
And your email address.
And my email address is tomch@google.com.
My name is Trevor OBrien. I've worked the past year on our Google TV Ads product, which is basically AdSense for television in the United States. This next year I'll be working on YouTube, the creator experience. My email address is Trevor OBrien, TrevorObrien @google.com. And my 3 words, I guess, would be autonomous. We have a lot of interesting things to do by ourselves. Challenging and innovative. Sorry, Jenny.
Everybody's sort of taking each other's words, yeah.
Okay, so my name is Jenny. I worked for the last year on Chrome OS, specifically on the UI. And I recently started working on our mobile innovation lab, where we incubate internal mobile projects. My email address is jlees, that's my name, jlees, @google.com. And my new 3 words are roller coaster, exhilarating, and unexpected.
Hey, I'm Thomas Weiss. I'm from Germany. I'm working on YouTube monetization, specifically video ads. And I will transfer to commerce, personalization, and discovery. And my 3 words are scaling, fun, and fun. My email address is weich@google.com. Weich@google.com.
Hi guys, I'm Catie Fisher. I work on Google Analytics, and I will be rotating to Hangouts, which is on Google+, which hopefully you guys will get to check out soon. My email address is Cushing, Cushing, @google.com. And if I had to pick 3 words, I would say collaborative, overwhelming, and very exciting.
Hey guys, my name is Linus Cho. I worked on Google Analytics this past year, and now I'm working on mobile search ads. My email address is linusc@google, so that's LINUSC. My 3 words would probably be data, speed, and decisions.
My name is Greg Mara. For the last year I worked on Google Plus, specifically profiles, and soon I'll be working on Google Plus, specifically the stream. My email address is gregmarra@google.com. And my 3 words would be fast-paced, which is hyphenated, so it's 2, and fun.
Hi everyone, my name is Joy Ding. For the past year I've been working on DoubleClick for publishers on our sell-side display platform. And the next year I'll be moving to Google Docs. My email address is joyding@google.com, JOYDING, and my 3 words would be juggling, design, and users.
Hi everyone, my name is Alan Huang. I've been working this past year on Google Chrome and Google Toolbar. This coming year I'll be working on mobile display ads, and my 3 words are flurry. Sorry. Flurry, furious, and fun. Oh, the email address is AllenH, so ALLENH @google.com.
My name is Emma Burrows. Last year I worked on shopping, and I'm now working on travel, specifically hotels. My email address is eburrows, that's EBURROWS@google.com. And my 3 words would be passionate and organized chaos.
My name is Zach Goldberg. I originally came into Google through a company called Invite Media, which is acquired by Google. I still work on that a little bit. That was my first project. That's display advertising. I'm rotating to Google's cloud machine learning or prediction API platform. My email address is zg@google.com, and my 3 words would be users, engineers, and speed.
Hi everyone, my name is Chase Hensel. I'm a product manager on Google News, and I'm starting working on Street View in about 2 weeks. My email address is chaseh@google.com. My 3 words would be scrappy, surprising, and rewarding.
Everyone, my name is Anton, and I've been working for a year on Google Developer Products, and I will be moving over to Google Plus for mobile. And my email is alop@google. And I guess my experience so far has been entertaining, exciting, and really intense.
Hi everyone, my name is Alex Collins. Email address is alexcollins@google.com. For the last year I've been working on user-generated content and the Google Plus infrastructure. I'm rotating to search ads quality soon. And 3 words, collaborative, data, and fast.
Hi everyone, my name is Tom Wiltsius. My email address is my last name, WILTZIUS@google.com. For the last year I've worked on Google Feedback, which is a horizontal support product we have. And next year I'll be working on Chrome, specifically web platform features. Maybe giant, alarming nerdfest is what we're
Hey everyone, my name is David. For last year I've been working on Google Calendar and Google Tasks, and I'm going to be moving to YouTube video ads in a couple of months. And so my email address is a long one, so you have a pen. It's DTATTERSALL@google.com. And my 3 words, I think, would be so many users.
My name is Marissa, and for the last year I've been working on Gmail, focusing on enterprise features. My email address is macikn@google.com, and my 3 words will be challenging, exciting, and fun.
Hi everyone, my name is Rita Chen. For the past year I've been working on sharing UI and infrastructure, which includes the sharing interface in Google+. My email address is ritachen, RITACHEN@google.com. And my 3 words, well I'm going to cheat a little and say great people and always learning.
And I'm Krystina. This past year I've been working on YouTube-related videos of personalization, and I'll be transferring to App Engine in the next month or so. My email is CILVENTO@Google, and my words are fast-paced, haphazard, and billion.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Newman. I've been working on Google Apps billing, and I'm moving to Android Marketplace purchase flows and the checkout UI. My email address is jmneWman@google.com. My 3 words would be learning, daunting, and fun.
Hi everyone, I'm going to start with my 3 words first, which are exhausting, exhilarating, and insight. I'm Dave Watson, I'm from Sydney, and I'm working on Google Docs specifically for Android and also the conversion tool. Next year I'm going to be working on YouTube monetization, and my email address is dloxton, DLOXTON@google.com.
My name is David Nicham. I previously worked on social search, now I work on mobile search ads. My email address is dnachum@google.com, that's DNACHUM@google.com. And my 3 words, since we've run out of the good ones, are algorithms, rewarding, and jeans.
Hi, my name is Ollie Gaymont. I worked on Google Alerts previously, and I now work on tools which we use to monitor our ads business. My username, or my email address, is OGaymont. We call them LDAPs internally, I'm so used to technical terms. So we call them, OGaymont, OGaymond @google.com. And my 3 words would be fast-paced, frenetic, and future-defining. It's a hybrid word.
My name is Alex Fisher. I worked on mobile display ads for the last year. I'm going to be rotating to Chrome OS. My LDAP is AFK. My email address is afk@google.com. And my 3 words are creative, chaos, and geeks.
Hi everyone, my name is Jerry Hall, and for the last year I've worked on carrier billing. This is where instead of using your credit card to buy an application on the Android device, you would just say charge to my carrier and pay later. I'll be rotating to mobile analytics, and my username is Jerry Cality, JerryCality@google.com, and my 3 words would be work hard, play hard.
I'm Travis Green. I work on the same product from what Zach's rotating to, which is a cloud-hosted machine learning system that makes machine learning really easy to use. My username is travisgreen@google.com. That's TravisGren. And 3 adjectives. Fast, futuristic, and uncharted.
Cool. I'm Andrew Wansley. I've been working on Google accounts and identity for the last year, specifically for the nerds in the room OAuth and OpenID as protocols. I'm going to be rotating onto the mobile maps team, and my 3 words would be challenging, technical, and awesome.
My name is Sean. I worked on Google+, and I'll be moving to social search. My email address is SeanLiu, SeanLiu@google.com. And for my 3 words, I'll pick 3 I's. Innovation, iteration, and impact. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Gideon Wald. I worked on search, specifically Google Instant, and I'm rotating to Chrome the browser on features. And my 3 words would be internationalization, optimization, and bug fixing.
And your email address?
Thank you. Gideon Wald, Google.com, GIDEONWALD@Google.
Hi, my name is Bechet. I spent the last year working on AdSense publisher quality, which is about making the Google Display Network a safe place for advertisers. I will soon be rotating to mobile display, and my 3 words would be, I'm going to bend the rules a little bit, problems as opportunities. Hopefully that resonates with the entrepreneurs in the room. My LDAP. It's Bechet, BISHAY@google.com.
And my name is Dan Gundrum. The username is Gundrum, my last name, GUNDRUM. I work on the +1 button and the Google Plus abuse, if we have any. My 3 words are fascinating, intelligent, and a little bit about our culture, food.
All right, so can we get a big round of applause for all the They're going to stick around for a few minutes afterwards, but unlike Kindens, they're used to eating at closer to 6 than 10, so they're going to have to leave soon after to go get some dinner. And but they will be here tomorrow. Okay, so they'll be here tomorrow about mid-afternoon, around 2 or 3, and they'll only be here for an hour and a half, 2 hours or so. And the people that they want to talk to are people who are working on products. So you can't come up and ask them a bunch of questions, but not show them something yourself. Okay, that's the rule. We're going to be inviting people who are part of the Mentee program and people who have products and who are entrepreneurs themselves to show products, and that way they get some experience about what you're building here, as well as you getting the opportunity to ask them about their expertise in the products that they're working on. So does that sound fair to everybody? Thank you guys very much. Time to mingle.